Lowe was wearing an ankle monitor at the time of his death, but it wasn't being actively tracked. That has some in the criminal justice community raising the red flag. WDSU reporter Shay O'Connor joins us now live from NOPD headquarters where this investigation is ongoing. Shay.
Gina, good evening to you. Yeah, to this day, no one has been arrested when it comes to the death of Javon Elo Jr. Officials say had the MLK High School student's ankle monitor been tracked in real life, most likely he wouldn't have died. Unmonitored and unsolved.
There's nobody watching it. There's nobody making sure that the young man's at home.
Matthew Dennis says had there been real-time tracking on Javon Elo Jr.'s court-appointed ankle monitor, officials would have been immediately notified that the teen was not at home, which could have prevented his death.
The equipment and the process that's being used is perfectly fine working equipment that is broken only in the fact that it's not being supervised.
Sources tell WDSU the 15-year-old had 2 open cases at the time of his death. According to his release order, the teen was to abide by the juvenile citywide curfew and wear an ankle monitor. He just finished an intensive in-home supervision program without any violations and was headed down the right path. That's according to family and officials at MLK High, where the teen attended school. His grandparents and brother devastated at his passing.
This has taken a toll on me. I just can't deal with this. This is so hard. I'm gonna miss him.
His family tells WDSU the teen had just left a citywide youth-led program called Pathways when someone with the program dropped him off to this apartment complex to see a friend, and not to his home where his grandparents were expecting him. The teen allegedly involved in a fight before being shot and killed. Rafael Goeneche with the Metropolitan Crime Commission says had the juvenile judicial system been up to par on monitoring, it could have stopped what is now a rippling effect.
And we need to know why something wasn't done to address that, because that technology is only effective if there are people monitoring the equipment.
Now, a new law takes effect in January that would pretty much mean that all ankle monitors must be monitored in real time, whether it's an adult or juvenile. You can visit our website, WDSU.com, for more information on this. And in the meantime, if you do know anything that could lead to an arrest when it comes to Javon Elo's death, you're being urged to contact Crime Stoppers at 822-1111. Reporting live from NOPD headquarters, Shay O'Connor, WDSU News.